Hey all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? I know we have a first here on the channel. This is the first time I'm ever taking a look at something by this company. The Civivi, I hope I'm saying this right, Elementum? Okay, so lots of people have been going, hey, what do you think about this? What do you think about that? What do you think about that company? What do you think about this? Well, I never really gave it much of a thought until recently when I was on Amazon and I saw this guy. I went, holy crap, look at those wood handles. My next thought was, are those fake wood? But we'll get into that in a moment. The wood on the black was just beautiful, so I had to bring this to my channel. Now, what really sunk me with the company is inside the box, it came in its own little carrying case. This little belt lined, furry lined, whatever. You got a couple stickers. You got stuff about, the brand. And you got a little chamois, which I thought was really friggin' cool. I was like, that's definitely something interesting. But like I said, for a small gentleman's kind of blade that's not going to scare most of the non-knife people, I was like, why not? Let's get it here. Alright, let's go over the stats and everything else like we usually do. Now, it's got an overall length of about 6.99 inches. It's just a shy under 7 when it's fully deployed. The blade is 2.96 with a cutting surface of 2.6... 2.5. Sorry, brand new pen, having a problem reading my writing. Enclosed, it's about 4.03. It's got a very, very minor weight to it of about 2.89 ounces. It is done in a drop point style with a plain edge and a hollow grind. Now, I love the fact that blade steel on it's D2, and you can see right down there where they're hiding that. I don't know why they try to put it in weird places, but they do. And the only thing I can find everywhere online, they just say black coating. They didn't say if it's traction, titanium nitride, any of that stuff, just black coating. We do have that black stainless steel frame inside there with a liner lock. Now, it is a flipper open, and according to Civivi, it has a caged ball bearing pivot. So it does flip open pretty well. At first, it was like, come on. But then, it kind of broke in, and it's been going ever so sweet. Now, I'm going to screw this up. Ciubortia? C-U-I-B-O-U-R-T-I-A wood scales. So those are actual wood scales on there, and I thought that was phenomenal. There's only one way to really carry this guy, and that is right-hand carry, tip up. It has a very nice lanyard hole there on the back, and yes, it is made in China. Alright, now let's do those cut tests that we like to do so much here on the channel. And if you're curious why I'm doing these 3, take a look right up top. You're going to see a card for why I do those cut tests. Alright, heavy duty stock paper. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can get a curlicue. Oh, it was going so well, then I moved it. But yeah, look at that. Not too bad getting that curlicue. The reason why I like to do that is anyone can take the blade and go sharp. But if you draw it on the same angle, maintain that pressure, maintain that slowness, it should curl back in on itself just like that. That's basically showing you there's no micro abrasions, chips, pits, anything else that slipped through quality control or there's any kind of problems. Alright, now as you guys know by watching recent videos, I've been having a lot of problem with this paracord that came out of a tactical rope dispenser. So forgive me for a moment while I try to prep it a little for the pull test. Not as bad as it's been, but still had to put a little oomph in that. And here we go with the slice. Right through. Yes, our friend, Mr. Ratchet Strap. Right through it. Alright, and as we always do, a little bit of snow up here, no big deal. Other than that, no real issues that I see. Okay, so I did all the pricing and all the fun stuff on this on March 10th, 2021. Really, I'm an idiot. Sorry. And I'm filming this on March 12th, 2021. Now, wait a minute. Yeah, no, we're going to go pricing first. Sorry, brain fart. I took a look on Amazon, Civivi, and Blade HQ. Now, on Amazon, it's selling for $63.75. It's Prime 1-day eligible. On Civivi, which is Civivi.com, $75. Blade HQ, $63.75. On Blade HQ, it's been reviewed 14 times for a 4 3/4 rating out of 5. Civivi, 1 time for a 5 out of 5. And on Amazon, you gotta be careful because they like to jam everything from a company together. 4.8 out of 5 with 180 reviews. Okay? Now, with all that fun stuff being said, here's the part I love the most of my videos. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, everything right down below. Do you think she's a nice or an F-bomb? A nice or an F-bomb? I kind of like it. It's a very nice look to it. It's a very neat little gentlemanly kind of blade. That's not going to scare non-knife people, so it's going to be put in my rotation. Now, with all that fun stuff being said, for you first-time viewers on my channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know you got lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm eternally grateful that you're choosing my channel. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription, because you never know how your opinion and your viewpoint might change the course of history of this channel. Now, be constructive, okay? Just don't go, you suck, hate your channel, close up doors. If I wanted that, I'd go to a men's grooming company and just go, hey, beat me up. But still. Alright. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, take a look right down there. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we all love so much on YouTube, 2 of them will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My first time look ever at a Civivi blade, the Elementum. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see you in our next video.